Shalini is missing.
Shalini will join. Shalini will join. So let's do a quick roll call, and then we'll start the class. Okay, Mandeep has also raised his hand. Yes, Mandeep, tell me. You're talking on mute. You have to unmute yourself first. I can barely hear you. Mandeep, I cannot hear you. Unmute yourself. Unmute. There'll be a unmute button. Or, in case you're not able to, okay. Can you try speaking now, Mandeep? No, I'm not able to unmute you also. So what I would say, Mandeep, is disconnect and join back again. Okay? Disconnect and join back again. Everybody else can hear me okay, right? Okay. Yeah, Diti.
I'm on the way home.
That's okay. That's fine. So Aradhya's name I have to memorize. And let me just say something to Mandeep.
Okay, are you showing off your Mehendi?
Yeah. Mandeep, you disconnect and join back again, okay? We cannot hear you. Alright, so let's get started. So I see Archana has put on Mehdi. That is good. That is the festival. That is festival season. So good, but we'll focus on maths, okay? Not Mehdi. Hey Sianvi.
Is it okay if I cover my screen?
You want to turn off your screen?
Yeah.
Any particular reason?
Yeah.
Okay. No, so I mean, again, if you're not comfortable with the screen video being on, you can disconnect. But I suggest always kids to keep the video on, because that way I'm able to interact with you guys better. Okay. So it'll be only on exceptions. So Shalini, turn on your video. Mandeep, disconnect and join back again. Camera is not working. All right. So let's start now. We talked enough about Diwali, Mehdi and everything. I have no Mehdi. I only do math. All right. So Shanvi, yeah.
I'm having a little trouble, on the homework, I'm having trouble converting, meters into, centimeters and stuff.
Okay. We'll talk about that.
Okay.
All right. So first, today is Saturday. First of all, I request everybody to turn on the videos. I think Shalini said she is having issue with turning on her video. Tasik, you sit here. What happened? You need tissue paper? You can come here. You need tissue? So just give me 10 seconds. Yeah, I have one. So today is Saturday. The first thing that we do is tables, and then we'll try learning something. Or maybe what I will suggest is, you can come this side. You can come and sit here. You can see from here. Alright? Yeah? Yeah. Okay. So let's start. So we'll start with Aditi. Table till 10.
10.
Okay. All right. Mandeep, can you say something? Let me see if I can hear you.
I just joined in
Okay.
after the...
Okay. I can hear you now. Wonderful. So let's do tables quickly, okay? Then we'll go on to next thing. So, Aditi, ready? Table till
10.
10. 8 9 ja.
What?
8 9 ja.
72.
6 9 ja.
54.
9 8 ja.
72.
6 8 ja.
48.
7 8 ja.
56.
9 9 ja.
81.
Good job. Nihan, ready?
Yes.
Table till
12.
12 5 ja.
60.
11 8 ja.
88.
9 9 ja.
81.
8 7 ja.
56.
6 9 ja.
54.
12 8 ja.
96.
Good job. Let's go to Nihit, ready? Table till 5 4 6 ja.
24.
5 3 ja.
15.
3 9 ja.
27.
5 7 ja.
35.
Very nice. So I am seeing a lot of improvement and I'm liking it. Okay? So keep working hard. Everybody who has talked about tables, make sure that you spend 5 minutes every day, okay? To keep practicing it and become a champion. Alright. Yeah.
I also want some questions about tables.
Everybody will be asked questions, don't worry about it. Okay? Everybody will get the turn. So Aradhya, are you ready?
Yes.
Table till? Table till which number you think you can start with? I know it's only your second class, so you have not been given enough chance to practice. See, again, in this class, each one of us, excluding me, has the luxury to make mistakes. Okay? Because when you make mistakes, that is when your teacher gets a chance to teach something. So it's perfectly fine. Making mistakes is no crime. Okay? So, since this is your second class only, and you have not been knowing what we do in the class, you can throw it there. So, tell me, there are kids in this class who know table till 5. There are kids in the class who know table till 12. You can be anywhere. It's perfectly fine.
I know table till 15.
Okay, so let me finish off with Aradhya. So Aradhya, what do you want to start with?
7.
Up to 7. Let's try. Okay, and if you go wrong, it's fine. Don't have to worry about it. Okay. Let's see. 5 3 ja.
15.
6 4 ja.
24.
5 9 ja.
45.
4 8 ja.
32.
Very nice. 7 3 ja.
21.
7 8 ja.
88.
7 8 ja. 56. 7 8 ja.
Oh,
Yeah.
56.
Yeah. Are you okay? You need water? You have water, right?
Yeah.
Have some water. And keep your bag away from you so that you don't keep tripping on it, okay? Yeah. Manage yourself better. Alright. So Aradhya, this is your second class and you have done wonderful. Very nice. So for all the kids, okay? No matter at what level you are, how much you remember, how much you have memorized, how much you have not, every day 5 minutes, okay? That's what I request everybody. Only spend 5 minutes. Aditi, I'll come to you better. Let me finish the table for everybody else, then I'll come to you. So, spend 5 minutes every day to memorize tables. Let's say if you know table till 7 or 8, you'll say, okay, fine. Till 8, let me pick up 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, and you'll go on till 6 10 is 60, and then go 7, 8. And if you think that you're confident, catch hold of anybody in the family, say, okay, fine, ask me questions on table till 8. And see how quickly, how accurately you're able to answer. That should be the game part of it, okay? Only 5 minutes every day for tables. If you become a champion in tables, you will see math becoming much more friendlier than before. Alright. Yeah, Aditi, you had a question?
Do you remember when we were not supposed to type, chat, do emojis like that?
So again, Aditi, what I would suggest is, don't worry about that. I will keep on reminding kids, okay?
It doesn't matter which place you are to.
Yeah. No, that's okay, Aditi. So you leave that for me. I will remind kids, okay? So no emoji, no typing, no playing around, okay? Otherwise that creates distraction. You need water? You have water. You have water, keep drinking water because that's what makes you feel better. You okay? You want to continue the class or you want to go home?
Continue.
Okay. Alright. So let's go to so we talked to Nihan, we talked to Aradhya, we talked to Aditi. Let's go to Tasvik. Table till 12, 12 5 ja. 8 9 ja. 11 8 ja. 11 8 ja. 9 9 ja. 7 6 ja. 12 9 ja. Very nice. And again, don't no typing. You will just raise your hand. You'll just raise your hand like this, and I'll come back to you. I'll anyways come back to everybody. Okay? You don't have to even ask for it. Nobody will be spared in the class. Let's go to Mandeep.
12.
12 12 6 ja.
What?
12 6 ja.
12 6 72.
9 9 ja.
81.
8 8 ja.
64.
12 7 ja.
54.
9 7 ja. 9 7 ja. 63. So yeah. Again, you're doing good, Mandeep. No worries with that. But what it means is 5 minutes daily. You got stuck in 9. That means even if you know table till 12, there could be something that you miss, and that's normal. It's okay. I mean, it just needs more practice. Okay.
It happened to me like 10 million times.
Right. So that's okay. I'm saying keep revising it. Catch hold of someone in the family. Ask them to ask questions after the class also. Okay. Not today. Anytime during the weekday. When you're spending 5 minutes every day, spend 5 minutes to memorize tables and then ask questions. Okay. Ask them to ask questions, and if you do accurate and do it fast, that means you have done it. If not, come back to it again. Let's go to Salini. You okay? Or you want to go home? You okay? No fever, right? Okay. Alright. Salini, unmute yourself. Okay. Salini, yeah. 9 9 ja.
81.
7 9 ja.
63.
12 6 ja.
72.
9 4 ja.
36.
12 5 ja.
16.
11 9 ja.
99.
Good job. Let's go to Akshara. Okay, I'll come to you. Okay. 9 7 9 ja.
63.
6 4 ja.
24.
7 7 ja.
49.
9 4 ja.
36.
7 7 ja.
49.
Good job. Let's go to Yaganya. Okay. Table till.
12, sir.
Okay. 12 5 ja.
What, sir?
12 5 ja.
60.
9 9 ja.
81.
9 6 ja.
54.
12 8 ja.
96.
11 9 ja.
99.
7 9 ja.
62.
12 8 ja.
96.
Good job. Let's see who is remaining in the class. Okay, Yug, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, table till
5.
5 9 ja.
4, 5.
3 9 ja.
73.
3 9 ja.
Oh, never mind. 27.
5 7 ja.
40.
5 7 ja.
What about
35. 2 9 ja.
80?
3 8 ja.
44.
4 5 ja.
45.
4 5 ja. Yeah. Yeah.
20.
Yeah. Alright, so you have to spend not 5 minutes, you have to spend maybe 7 minutes, 2 minutes more. But that is to be done every day. Okay? Alright. Keep drinking water, that will make you feel better. Yeah? And make sure that is not a cold water, because cold water is not good. I mean,
Do you have a cold water?
that's normal room temperature, that's fine. Just give me 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds.
Thank you.
Yeah, so who is remaining now? So Yaganya told Sriyanvi. Yeah, table till.
11.
Sorry?
11.
11. 9 5 ja.
45.
3 9 ja.
What?
3 9 ja.
27.
8 6 ja.
48.
9 5 ja.
45.
5 9 ja.
45.
9 9 ja.
81.
11 6 ja.
66.
Good job. Okay, so let's see who's remaining. Ishan. Ishan, are you ready? Ishan,
Yes.
turn on your video.
It is all great.
Okay, yeah, I can hear you now. I can see you as well. What's the number till?
10.
10. 5 9 ja.
45.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 6 ja.
54.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 9 ja.
81.
7 7 ja.
49.
8 9 ja.
72.
Very good. Good job. So now see who's remaining here. I have asked Aditi, Akshara, Ishan, Mandeep, Nihan, Aradhya, Salini, Syanvi and Yaganya. Alright. So what did we learn in the last class? Anybody remembers? Yes, Salini.
Wait.
I thought.
I just forgot it.
Okay. Who remembers? Yeah, Nihan.
So we talked about the area, the square, rectangle, and
Okay.
those stuff.
Yeah. We were talking about area and perimeter of a square rectangle. Okay. Yeah, Aditi. What do you remember?
Area and this area.
Okay.
Area and perimeter.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, Syanvi, you're saying something?
We learned about the properties again. We went over that.
Mm-hmm.
And why did you call me Han Vishal? Because Vishal's my cousin.
I said Syanvi.
No, you said Vishal.
Did I? No. If maybe there was some glitch at my end, but yeah, I would never call you Vishal. All right. So let's. So there are two things that we're going to do today. Okay. So we talked about area and perimeter of a rectangle and square. We will learn about the area and perimeter of few more shapes. Yep.
Why do we have to keep on learning about area and perimeter?
So we have learned about certain shapes and we'll learn about more shapes. And then we'll go on to other things. So so again, if there's something that you want to learn ahead of the class also, you can always tell your daddy that, okay, can you ask my teacher to teach me this particular thing ahead of the class? So we can do that, that's fine. Okay. So like just now Sriyanvi was asking, how do we convert from centimeters to meter or meter centimeter? That's one thing that we'll learn apart from the area and perimeter for a few shapes. And yeah, Mandeep, you have raised your hand.
Let's learn about fractions.
Fractions. Okay, so fine. We have got couple of things. Area, perimeter, fractions, converting from centimeters to meter or vice versa. Now nobody will be given option to give more suggestions. If anybody has to give the suggestion, you have to give it before the class, because if you do it now in the class, there will be too many suggestions and we will learn nothing. Yeah? Yes, Alni, you have raised your hand. One last question first. Yes, Alni.
I was just going to suggest, and then I forgot to
Leave it there.
take the hand off.
Yeah, sure, that's okay. So now, two things we'll do. First, we will do conversion from centimeter to meter or vice versa. And then we'll talk a little bit about fractions. Fractions, let's say addition, multiplication, subtraction. Okay? Yeah? Alright. Yeah, Nihan.
So are we gonna do the ask the teacher?
We'll not do it today because we have a lot of kids now, and if we do that, what will happen is another 10 minutes will be gone and we'll have less time to learn. Okay? So it's already 4:27, so we have only 33 minutes to learn something. Okay? If we go for ask the teacher thing, we'll have only 20 minutes to learn something. Okay? Now, so you guys can ask me questions maybe tomorrow. Okay? Tomorrow we'll not do tables. I'll give you guys 5 minutes to challenge your teachers before in the beginning of the class, and then we'll learn something. Okay? All right. So we are talking about centimeter to meter conversion, and then we'll talk about fractions. Now, there's one song that we sang a couple of times when we were learning units of measurement. It is called milli, centi,
Decimeter, deca, kilometer.
decimeter,
Deca, kilometer.
deca, hecto,
Kilometer.
kilometer. Okay? Remember the sum? Milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilometer. Yeah? Now, this is for metric system. No, don't keep murmuring in the back end, okay? When I ask, answer it, and then you have to stop. Milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilometer. This is the sum. Now, this is for metric system. So when we're talking about distance, so it becomes millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, and kilometer. So milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilometer. So millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. It's only for distance. If you talk about weight, then that becomes gram. So milligram, centigram, decigram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. If you are talking about volume, it becomes milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter, decaliter, hectoliter, kiloliter. So same song for all the three things. Now, since we are talking about converting centimeter to meter, okay? Now look at this: millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. This is a sequence. What it means is 10 millimeter equals 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter equals 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter makes 1 meter. 10 meter makes 1 decameter. 10 decameter makes 1 hectometer. 10 hectometer makes 1 kilometer. So, if you want to convert centimeter to meter,
100.
so if you have see, 10 centimeter equals 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter equals 1 meter. So 10 times of this makes 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter makes 1 meter. Meaning, let's look at this. If I convert this decimeter into, every decimeter equals 10 centimeter. So meaning 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeter. Now 1 meter equals 10 decimeter. So 10 of decimeter will be equal to, okay, let's keep it simple. What happened? Okay. Okay. Now look at this. From this song, what we see is 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter makes 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter makes 1 meter, 10 meter makes 1 decameter. Meaning, from this one you see, we are trying to convert centimeter to meter. Right, Sianvi? So we are jumping 2 times, 10 and 10. Centimeter to meter, 10 times. 10 times decimeter, 10 times to meter. 10 into 10, 2 times. Meaning, if you have, see this, now we are going backward, okay? 1 meter equals to how much? 1 meter equals to 10 decimeters. 10 decimeters. Now, we know 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. See, 10 centimeter makes 1 decimeter. Now, we have 10 decimeters. I know it's confusing. Let me go step by step. Okay, so this table is fine. This sum is fine. Millicenti, decimeter, deca to kilometer. Meaning 10 millimeter will make 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter will make 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter will make 1 meter, 10 meter will make 1 decameter. So you need 10 centimeter to make 1 decimeter. Yeah? Yes, Yanvi, you have raised your hand.
So when it came to the multiplying part, I didn't get it.
Okay. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to simplify it. Okay. This part, this sequence is fine, right? You know how many centimeter will make 1 decimeter, right? What are you trying to find out? Let's say if your question says find out how many centimeters in a meter. Yeah? Can you read the question for me?
Yes. When it said find the area of a rectangular room that is 5 meters long and 3.5 meters wide. Calculate how many square tiles with a side length of 50 cm were needed to cover the floor.
Okay. So there are 2 things here. You know how to find out the area. So length into width, that gets you the area. Now you say, okay, this is the area. Now you're saying find out how many tiles you will need to fill this whole area. And every tile is having some value, correct? So look at that. Okay. Keep drinking water. You finished?
Yeah.
You need more? You want more water?
Yeah.
Okay. If I keep going, then that will break the class. How much time do we have? 25 more minutes only. 25 minutes more. Just here's how the kids is coughing badly in the classroom. Let me just get water for them.
So 8 minutes?
25 minutes.
Yeah, you can go do some.
Sorry, I don't have water bottles.
So 8 minutes passed already.
Yeah. No, we had 25 more minutes.
Yeah, so 8 minutes passed. You said 35 minutes.
Okay, leave it there. So, first question was, that okay? This is, let's say, 5 meter and 3 meter, okay? And this is the area that you have to cover with the tile, and every tile is, let's say,
5 times 3.
wait, 10 centimeter and let's say 3 centimeter. So your problem here, Sianvi, is this is the area and this is the area for tile. You have to fill this area with this tile. So you're trying to figure out how many tiles you would need, correct? Yeah? But the problem here is, yeah.
I got that. So, wait, I think that's the problem.
So see, in this kind of problem, what you have to do, you have the bigger area in meter and the smaller area in centimeter. Smaller area, smaller pieces dimension in centimeter. What you have to do is convert everything into a smaller unit, meaning find out 5 meter equal to how many centimeters. Find out 3 meter equal to how many centimeters. Okay? And then this thing becomes in centimeter, this thing also becomes in centimeter. Then you can find out how many of this you would need. So it's like this. You put one box here, and you will keep on filling it. And that is how you will find it out. So basically, this area is how many times of this area. That is how you will get it. Yeah? Now, when you have a bigger unit, convert that to smaller unit. Meaning, you have to convert meter into centimeter. Meaning, if you have 5 meter, 1 meter equals how many decimeter? 10 decimeter. Now you know that every decimeter is, so 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeter. You have to convert meter into centimeter. So 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. 2 decimeter will be equal to 2 into 10 centimeter. 10 decimeter will be equal to 10 into 10 centimeter. Meaning 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter, and you found 10 decimeter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. This is what we found. We have 5 meters, so this becomes 5 into 100. This is 500 centimeter. Similarly, this is 3 meter. You found out 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So 2 meter will be equal to 2 into 100. 3 will be 3 into 100. 3 into 100 centimeter. So Nishan, sit down. You're not watching movie. Yeah. So here, only thing that you would want to remember is when you have 2 different areas using different units. This one is using meter, this one is using centimeter. First thing you have to do is convert them into 1 unit. You don't count apples and oranges together. You convert your apples to oranges. So this was your apple, this was your oranges. You convert your apple to oranges, now both are oranges. Then you can calculate, right? Same thing we did here. Okay? So summary of that is, remember this song which will help you find out how do you convert 1 unit to another. And then first thing you do is, if you have 2 different objects, 2 different shapes using different units, you convert them into 1 unit, and then find out the area of this guy, and divide the larger area by the smaller area. That will give you the count. Are you able to relate, Shanvi, everybody? Or it's confusing? Okay. Okay. All right. So let's move on. So next topic that you guys wanted to cover was fractions. And before I teach something, let me check. If you have to add 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, Who all knows how to do it? Just tell me how. Tell me the how part of it. Don't try doing it. Nishan, can you explain me? Nihan, not Nishan. Yeah, Nihan, can you explain me?
So you're gonna add so basically what I do every single time, like I make it like the same denominator, then I solve it.
Okay. How do you do it? How do you make the same denominator? Let's say in this case,
So you will divide it by 2.
you'll divide by 2. Which one?
The 8.
You'll divide by 2. And what does it become?
4.
Okay, let's see what Shanvi has to say. Yes, Shanvi?
Is it multiplication or adding?
It is adding 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8.
1 plus 1 is 1.
Don't blabber. If you know what you are going to say it with confidence. Okay? There's no credit for blabbering.
I know 1 plus 1 is 1.
Try solving it. We are not doing a debate. Take your pen out. Try solving it. You did not come to see me, right? I don't look like Amitabh Bachchan, right? I don't look like superstar. I'm a normal human being.
Yeah, you're superstar.
So do the problem first. Let me see. You don't have fever. You're fine. All right. So here, Nihan, what you said, that is one of the approach. Meaning, what you do is make the denominators match. What you will do is you will not divide. What will you do is here it is 8, here it is 4. You will multiply this by 2 here and multiply it by 2. So that if you want, you can always do tic-tac-toe, okay? So you will multiply and multiply the numerator and denominator both by the same number. So that is how this part became 2 by 8, 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8, plus 1 by 8. So you got same denominator now and it becomes 2 by 8, 1 by 8, meaning 2 banana, 1 banana, 3 banana, 3 by 8. This is one way of doing it. However,
I don't get it.
you did not get it. That is good news. When my students don't get it, that gives me one more chance. So if I have to add 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, okay? So what you have to do is, see if I have, let's say 2 into 1 by 3 into 3, 3 into 2. I have taught you guys how to play with this. You will do tic-tac-toe, this and this.
Tic-tac-toe.
Right? So 2 into 1 by 3 into 2 becomes equal to 1 by 3. Yeah? Meaning you can break down to do tic-tac-toe. Here, same way, like you can do tic-tac-toe to divide, you can multiply the numerator and denominator by same number and nothing changes. It doesn't impact the value. Okay? So if you have 1 by 4, you can, if you want to play with it, you will say, okay, fine, I can multiply the numerator and denominator both by same number. Or you will say, okay, fine, I multiply numerator and denominator by same number. You can multiply by 10 also. Nobody is stopping us. Okay? Because these two are same thing, you can do tic-tac-toe also. You are not changing the value here. So you can always multiply any fraction, the numerator and denominator by same number without changing the value. So that is why that technique we are using here. Say okay, 1 by 4 and 1 by 8. I want to make both having same denominator so that my life becomes easier.
To subtract fractions.
What is that?
How to subtract fractions?
We'll come to that, but first to understand, if you have two fractions, okay, to add, subtract or multiply, whatever it is, if you want to start, one approach is you make the denominator same. How you can make the denominator same? This is 8 and this is 4. 4 2s are 8, meaning if I multiply by 2, that means I have to multiply here also by 2. It's the same thing now. So it becomes 2 by 8 plus 1 by 8. Now you have 2 by 8, 1 by 8. So here you can say 2 banana, 1 banana, 3 banana, 3 banana. This is one approach. Yeah, Mandeep, you're asking question.
I didn't understand.
Let's not try to understand now. I'm tired. No, I'm just kidding. I don't get tired teaching math. Let's take the most basic approach. The most basic approach.
the answer.
What is that?
I found out the answer.
Okay, so now I'm teaching. So, whether you found the answer or not, that will reflect in your assignment. So let me teach it one more time to everybody, and then we'll see. If you have to add two fractions, okay? How you can do it? The first thing, don't go for matching the denominator, okay? The most normal approach is this. If you have to add two fractions, what you have to do is you have to find out the LCM of the denominator. Do you guys know what is LCM?
No.
You don't? Did you not?
LCM?
Okay.
Centimeter?
Okay. Now see, if you did not know what actually LCM is, it's not a KBC. It's not a Kaun Banega Crorepati.
Is it length centimeter?
Stop there. Don't go way too far where it will be difficult for me to bring you guys back. Now, that means in the classroom, we are trying to find out. Nihan, do you know what is LCM?
Yeah.
Okay. Ishan, do you remember what is LCM? I see. Aditi, do you?
I just remember it.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Just stop it there. Don't give me, when I'm asking a question to you guys, give me a very short and brief answer, because if we start discussing, we will run out of time. Let's say if I have to find out LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple. Least common multiple. Okay. What is the time right now? We still have 11 minutes. Okay. We have time. We still have time. You have not learned anything yet. Stop swinging on the table. Sit down properly. Sit down properly. Why are you making me mad by being mischievous all the time? Okay, so least common multiple. What does it mean? Meaning, let's say if I have 2 and 3, two numbers. Tell me the smallest number that can be divided by 2 and 3 both.
One.
Did you hear the question first? It's like sheep, a herd of sheep. One sheep jumps in the well, everybody follows him. Yeah, Jaganya.
Is it 6?
Yes. See the sheep who is not following you guys. Okay? She applied her own thoughts. And that is what math is all about. Don't follow your friends. Nobody's friend. Yaditi.
Is it like a question asking or like
Okay. Stop it there. So what I was saying was, I have two numbers 2 and 3. Tell me what is the smallest number that can be divided by both the numbers. The smallest number. Least common multiple, meaning least common multiple of these numbers, meaning any number that can be divided by this and this. So many of you, one person started saying 1, and everybody said yes, 1. Okay?
One.
You are getting what I'm getting to, right? Okay. So least common multiple. When I say let's say I have 2 and 3. We are trying to find out the smallest number that can be divided by 2 as well as 3. Now if I say 4, 4 can be divided by 2 but not by 3. It doesn't work. 5 cannot be divided by any of them, so 5 cannot be 1. If I go to 6, 6 can be divided by 2 and 3 both. 2 3 are 6, 3 2 are 6. If I go to 12, it can be divided by 2, 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12. I go to 18, it can be divided 2 9 are 18, 3 6 are 18. 6, 12 and 18, I can go on, I'm saying, these three numbers can be divided by 2 and 3 both. Similarly, if I say, okay, how about 4? If I have 3 numbers, 2, 3 and 4, find out the smallest number. Ishan, can you sit down? The movie has not started yet. Okay? So, if I have 3 numbers, 2, 3 and 4, if I say, find out the smallest number that can be divided by all the 3. If I say 6, it can be divided by 2 3 are 6, 3 2 are 6, 4, no. 6 doesn't work. 7, 2 3, no, it doesn't come in 2 3 4 either. 8 doesn't work. 9, 3 3 are 9, 2, nothing with 2 and 4 doesn't work. The next number that we get is 12. 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 4 3 are 12. Next number is I can get is 24. 12 2 are 24, 3 8 are 24, 4 6 are 24. So I have different options. 12, 34, 20, 12, 30, 24, 36. What is the smallest number here? 12. But do you really want to do all this circus every time you have to find out the lowest common multiple? No. There is a way to do it. And that's faster.
Circus?
Yep. Circus, drama, blabbering, wasting time, nonsense, everything. Yeah? Alright. So if I say, find out the smallest number that can be divided by 2 and 3 for both. 2 and 3 both. There is something called LCM. See, this is L, extended L. Yeah? So now here what you do, you pick up the smallest number. The smallest number is 2. Or any number which can divide maximum numbers. So I'll pick the smallest number 2. 2 1 are 2. 3 doesn't come in the table of 2, so I'll keep 3. Now leave aside 1. What is the smallest number? 3. So it's like dividing, okay, in sequence. 1 remains 1, 3 1s are 3. Now once you have everything as 1 here, that is where you have to stop. And what you have to do, this and whatever you have. So 2 into 3 into 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 doesn't make a difference, so you just leave aside. So everything that you have here, you multiply them. That gives you LCM 6. Okay? Now, if I say find out the smallest number, that is LCM for 2, 3, 4 and 6. Meaning the smallest number that can be divided by all of them. And I am saying smallest, least common multiplier or least common multiple. Smallest. Maybe 36 can be divided by all of them, but that is not the smallest. There is a number smaller than 36 that can be divided by them all. And how do you find it? Same, LCM. Now pick up the smallest number 2. 2 1s are 2, fine. 3 doesn't come in the table of 2, so you'll keep it as 3. Now 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. You continue here. Now, leave aside 1. What is the smallest number? 2. You put 2 again. 1 remains 1. 3 doesn't come in the table of 2. Don't have to worry. 2 1s are 2. And then comes 3. Now, leave aside 1. What is the smallest number? 3. 1 remains 1. 3 1s are 3. 1 remains 1. 3 1s are 3. Everything became 1 here. Whatever you have here, multiply them. What it became? 2 times 2 times 3. 2 2s are 4 times 3, 12. That means 12 is the smallest number that can be divided by 2, 3, 4 and 6. You can check that. 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 6 2s are 12. Yep. Alright. So LCM. Again, LCM is a very important concept that we all need to know. So the kids from the level 2, if you guys have joined a little early, so hold it for 5 more minutes so that I can finish what I'm teaching these kids. LCM at a concept level is something that we all need to know, because LCM stands for least common multiplier, or what it means is, if you have few numbers, the smallest number that can be divided by all these numbers. If I say find out the LCM of 17 and 14 and 19, meaning the smallest number that can be divided by 17, that can be divided by 14 as well as 19. That's what LCM is for. So we just did LCM, and we'll have to continue with this one to do the fractions, addition, subtraction. Some of you who already know it, it might be a repeat of it, but treat that as a practice thing, okay? And some of you who don't know, it's a learning experience. Now, just giving you the flow of what we do. Aditi, just hold it for 2 more minutes, okay? If I have to, let's say, add or subtract 2 fractions, first thing you have to do is look at the denominators, find out the LCM, okay? You will find out the LCM and put the value here, then you will do the treatment with the other numbers, okay? So, Nihan, if that helps you remember it, this is the most generic or orthodox method of solving fractions, addition or subtraction, okay? First, you look at the denominators. If you have 2, or even if you have, let's say, another one, this one, doesn't matter. Take all the denominators, find out the LCM for that, put it here, and then you do treatment of every number, every fraction, okay? How and what, that we'll do tomorrow, okay? Yeah? So, yeah, Aditi, you were asking questions, yes.
So after some time, will it bring us to the end of the class now?
We are almost about to end the class. So we have 3 more minutes. So we'll do a quick recap of what we learned today, what we did today, and then what we are going to do tomorrow before we disperse, okay? Yeah. So I'll make a small bathroom here in this corner so that you guys can keep making rounds to the bathroom without learning anything.
But it's private.
No, so what I'm saying is, when you guys come to the class, you have to make sure that you come with a plan to spend your 50-55 minutes with 100% commitment. Some of you are busy thinking about the movie. Some of you are lying on the sofa enjoying this like a movie show. Some of you are kind of trying to figure out ways to start a discussion for no reason. Very few of you are very serious in the class. I am not saying the name because for me everybody is equally important, so I am not differentiating among you all. But who all is trying to do things which are not needed knows it already, so I am not calling out the names. But then make sure that when you come to the class, you have no reason for going to bathroom unless it becomes an emergency. 55 minutes is all for me, okay? That's how it is. Make sure that you are not making rounds to get water, running around, trying to be busy with something else. Okay, so yeah, let's do a recap of what we did today. We did tables. We did a revision table. That is very important because that's needed. Then we quickly looked at how do we convert from centimeter to meter. We just looked at the song for the metric system, and then tried to find out if you have to find out area of 2 objects or relate them and both are having different units. How do you convert the area of a big something in the bigger unit into a smaller unit, and then you divide? So how do you use that? And then we started talking about fractions, how to deal with fractions. First thing we did was how do you start? You have to know how to do LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple or multiplier, and find out the LCM, and then we'll do rest of the operation, which we have not done today. Some of you already know, but we'll do more of it tomorrow, and then we'll practice it. Okay? So that brings us to the end of the class. I know everybody is happy to go, but make sure that you are ready to go with something being learned. Okay? Alright, see you guys tomorrow, same time, and we'll do more of fractions. Fun.
Thanks.
Yeah. Alright, bye bye. Yeah, bye bye.
And we do subtracting fractions.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, everything we'll do. As long as you guys allow me to do that.